Hi everyone, it's Derek here with GamerBody, and in this video we're going to talk about the ButcherBox subscription service and whether or not I think it's a good option for you to get meats shipped right to your door. So let's jump right into the review. So ButcherBox is a subscription-based service that curates meats for you and then delivers them right to your doorstep. ButcherBox focuses on quality meats such as beef that is both grass-fed and grass-finished. This means that if it's been grass-finished, it's only had grass or other grazed foods during its entire lifetime. This is also true for the pork products as well as free-range chickens. So what happens is you build a box with different types of meats. They go and curate those for you, so they go out and find it from different sources, bring it all together, and then they ship it to your doorstep. So why this is helpful is because nowadays we found that meats that have not been grass-fed and grass-finished may not be as healthy for you. So if you're someone who really wants high-quality meats, I highly recommend looking into this product so that you can have the best of the best sent to your doorstep for then you to consume. So why is ButcherBox becoming one of the bigger products on the market today? And I think it's because they're actually providing a service that's really hard to do yourself. This is because you don't know when you go to a store if that meat is actually grass-fed and grass-finished. You would go in, you'd buy the meat, but it might not be the healthiest meat that you could get. ButcherBox aims to take that out of the equation by going to the companies themselves, making sure that they match those quality standards, and then shipping it right to you. So let's quickly cover a price breakdown of the different boxes from ButcherBox. So looking at the website, they do have quite a big range. The lowest I see is around $120 for a box, all the way up to $270. The price of the box changes based on a few different attributes. The cheaper ones are definitely the smaller boxes that have already been hand selected for you, so the meats that are in them are actually already picked out for you and sent to you. It gets more expensive if you decide to custom build your own box, which actually is what I did. I went and custom built one. It was about $30 more, I think around $150 for me to do it. So I got the classic size one, so the smaller size, but then I picked all of my meats. There is a larger box that's even more money. So if you did like your own custom box and had the large box sent to you, it'd be probably the $270. So now let's quickly go over what makes the ButcherBox service or subscription service really great. Number one, it is extremely convenient. All you gotta do is go online, pick the meats that you want, shipped right to your door. Don't have to go to any kind of grocery store or anything. It's all done for you. It also comes in at a decent price. You get a lot of meat here. So if you see from the pictures I've been posting throughout this video, you've seen that there's actually quite a lot of meat sent over. And I think it comes around to $5 to $6 per meal, which actually isn't really that bad, especially if you're comparing it against a different like restaurant or something like that. I've noticed that all the meats that I've tried have tasted really great. I haven't had any that were either like bad or that kind of like rubbery tasting. All of them came out really well after I cooked them. ButcherBox has lots and lots of promotions going on all the time. I'm actually in their subscription service for emails, so I get a lot of their deals that come through. So the one that I actually have that's really good is I get free beef for life, except I might sign up again under the bacon one because I kind of want to have bacon for life versus free beef for life. You can also set up different frequencies of your shipments. So right now I actually set it to every 2 months, but if I start running out of meat, I'll probably do every month. But right now, so it'd be $150 right now, every 2 months for me, which isn't too bad. And you can also make separate orders if needed from ButcherBox. So say you wanted to order salmon, which is actually something available to them. You can actually order that separately and get it shipped outside of your box, or you can actually make additional orders in the month if you run out of meats. Of course, this would be an additional cost. Alright, now let's quickly go over what makes the ButcherBox not so great. So the first one is you're going to need a decent amount of freezer space to store all of the meats. Because it's sent to you in a giant box, all the meats come at once. Again, you can make separate orders, but in your initial box, all of them come at once. So if you already have a packed freezer, you might have to pull out a different type of cooler or another refrigerator to put all of the meats in and keep them from going bad. Another con is that you can't actually see the meat you're buying before you get them. So this is where a store is actually better. If you want to actually go in and see the meat that you are buying prior to receiving it, you can't do that with ButcherBox. They're going to pick them all out for you, ship them to you, and that's when you get to see if your meat is what you wanted or not. And my last con is you need to make sure that you order enough. Of course, you can make those separate orders, but it does become more costly if you do so. So make sure in your initial order that you're ordering enough food. And my last question that I like to end all of my videos with is, would I buy Butcher Box again? And the answer to this one is a definite yes. I'm going to keep my subscription going right now. Like I said before, I may change it over to do a different email so I get the free bacon for life when that comes back around. But for right now, I have free beef for life so I can make hamburgers until the day I die or end my subscription. And that is all really great. So that's about it for this Butcher Box review. Again, I've had it for a little over a month now. So my next one should be coming in probably about a month or two. I'm going to change up a few things like add in salmon, I think, into the mix there. But for right now, it is really, really great, and I love the service. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Also, if you want to get my personal fitness program that I currently run right now, head over to GamerBody.com and opt into the email. It'll be sent directly to you, and it's a Word document, so as I update it, you'll get the most recent version of what I'm doing. And that's it for the video. So again, like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.